What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mav, where we do everything outdoors. My name's Mavrik, and today I'm driving my truck to my buddy's house to pick up my friend Justin and his dog Gunnar, and we're heading up north to go do some woodcock and grouse hunting.
Hey! What's up, dude?
Oh boy, Gunnar. You gonna go hunting?
It's like, who's this new guy?
Deal.
I'm not obeying you in front of the new guy.
Deal.
Ooh, is this a new truck? Oh, no.
No, wrong seat.
Absolutely
Gunnar.
not. Hey!
Gunnar.
Oh!
Gunnar.
Man!
Here. Come on. Here. You go in this one, asshole. Good boy.
Yeah. Oh, you got a
Good
nice,
boy.
nice house.
Good boy. We're going hunting. Good boy. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's rock. Boy, Goonies. Good boy.
Well, while we were enjoying our sandwiches, we were also enjoying the anticipated 220 miles of driving, a whining dog, and a very packed car, along with the hope of being able to shoot one of these marvelous birds out of the air. I'm not much of a bird hunter myself, so this is one of my first bird outings that I've done. If you guys remember in my previous video, actually one of my only hunting videos on the channel, I was hunting game birds, which they were used to train dogs, so they were actually farm-raised birds, and it wasn't as exciting. I have a feeling that this is going to be a lot better. Let's see how it turns out. If you guys haven't done chips in a sandwich, well, you're missing out.
You ever do that? Chips in a sandwich?
I always stick them in there. I just didn't want to do it because it makes a mess. I typically do every time.
You're worried about making a mess in my truck. Alright, well, with our couple of setbacks, we're only going to get about 45 minutes of daylight, so it means we're probably going to get about a half-hour hunting time tonight, which definitely, it's kind of what we were expecting, I guess. We're on the road we need to be on right now. We're just looking for a pull-off, and Justin got a spot from one of his buddies, so we're going to check it out, and if it's a good spot, maybe we'll come back here tomorrow, or it's not looking super ideal for birds tonight, but you never know. We might get lucky. Hyper flash still not fixed. Do not block road entry. Well, I don't really have a choice there, Ace. It also smells like skunk.
It smells a lot like skunk.
Like there's a skunk within like 50 yards, dude. It stinks.
So bad.
Your dog's gonna get sprayed right off the bat.
Dude, if he got sprayed, that'd be so No, I probably just got hit by a car. We're fine.
Yeah, we'll tell ourselves that. Oh, there's a dead. It's this right here, dude.
Huh?
There's a dead skunk right here.
Ah, that's it.
Crisis averted.
Oh boy. Are you sure? Alright, you wait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put his run and point on. Okay. So you'll hear like every 10 seconds it'll go beep beep. When he stops for like a longer period of time, it'll go beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. And then you know he's on point and hopefully he's pointing a bird.
Okay. We've made it out of the truck. Step one of getting birds. Sun's going down.
Finally hunting.
Finally hunting. Lazy boy hunting.
Gunnar! Over here. 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 Ooh.
Oh?
No. Find the bird. Find him.
It's as easy as that. You just tell him to find him and he finds them.
Go boy. Go find him. Go boy.
Oh, ow. Just whipped myself in the leg with a young tree. How far back does this go?
We are about halfway in.
What do you look for that? I mean, it's just like brushy.
Yeah, they like lower stuff kind of, but you want to see young aspen like this.
Okay.
I'm surprised I'm staying on top of it.
As he falls in. Oh, what's that? I don't think so. I didn't see it.
Come here. I heard it.
I didn't hear it. I didn't see it fly or hear it.
You want it? You don't want a drink? Not at all, huh? I'll give you a treat. How's that sound? That all went on my foot.
Well, pretty uneventful first spot. Hopefully got the jitters out of the dog, hey? We avoided a tragedy there. Gunnar almost rolled in that dead skunk. We're gonna drive over to the lodge where Justin's sleeping in. You guys don't have an extra bed, do you?
We might.
You might?
I think we might.
Cool, man. All right, we found our lodge for the night. I think the boys are just having a few sock sodas, and we're gonna have some. Are they woodcock poppers or are they gonna be grouse poppers? Woodcock poppers?
Yeah.
So we'll go check that out really quick.
Kind of livery, kind of like waterfowl. They do migrate. They eat worms. And we're eating woodcock poppers.
Kind of like those duck poppers you guys saw in one of my ice fishing videos. Did you see that video?
No, was it Rumaki or something? Cock poppers, woodcock poppers.
Ooh, look unreal.
That'll be alright.
Yummy. Oh.
One might say you were lactating because it's cream chicken. He's eating it here. I was gonna get that.
That was a big bite. That was good. That was good. Hey, Boone. Oi.
You were.
It's now 1 in the morning. I've had a few sock sodas, maybe a few too many sock sodas. But managed to get acquainted with some of the dogs and most of the people here. Actually, all of the people here. But sounds like we're going to be getting on some birds tomorrow, unlike our half-hour venture today. So woodcock hunting seems like it's more involved than I thought. The dogs that everybody else has up here seem like they're really dialed in this specific type of hunting. So we're going to talk to some experts tomorrow, get the lay down on woodcock, and make a recipe. So feeling pretty lucky to be able to have this opportunity. For now, I'm gonna have to call it a night because I'm dead dog tired. I've been up since 6 a.m. and it's 1 now. So we're gonna shut the lights off and hit the hay. So without further ado, this is good night. Can you see me through there? What's up? Can you see me?
I forgot you were sleeping in there.
Haha! Yeah, you can't see me unless I'm trying a flashlight, huh? Unless I got the light on.
To us?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Oh. Good morning.
Morning.
Well, I had an extra bed in Justin's room, but I thought it would be better for the video. It's not. I mean, it's just as comfortable, dude, sleeping in here.
Yeah. With the dog.
No, the dog didn't join me last night.
No, you want these two right now?
Sure.
Bill.
Come on, dude.
Were two dogs going at it this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard Delta Jaeger.
Hey. Oh God, you're wet. Hi. Oh. Good morning.
Lunch lady. What do you guys think? You like getting here? Like, yeah, we're not leaving. Hey, buddy. Somebody try to steal your food this morning? All right, Jaeger. I'm gonna put my pants back on. So yeah, you might want to run away. What are you making? You want coffee? You want coffee, sir?
Sure.
I have just some light, soft white bread.
Yeah, I do. Alright, so I finally took your guys' advice. I finally cleaned my stove.
Yep.
Just kidding. I got a brand new one. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, here's my coffee I made in my truck.
Burrito time. Are you gonna do burrito time?
I'm gonna be moving as fast as the dog today.
Be a southern.
Careful, bud. That thing's heavy.
Going everywhere. Yum.
Alright, I'll see you in there. I'll bring you some coffee in a second. This is gonna be so good.
2 pieces?
Yes, please.
Antelope instead of.
Oh, so it is antelope?
Yep.
Yeah.
Who got the antelope?
Me.
Nice.
So I got this one like a
Are you out of trees?
first part of
like this?
September.
Woo!
I like that.
Stuff. Like if you ever need any of that, like I bought like giant things for like I paid.
You finally figured it out. Okay. Now I can see more shit.
That's been on for a while.
Alright, we had a little bit of a late start this morning. Finally got the boys all around together. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna go hopping in the woods. We've got four trucks and 5 different dogs, so I think there's gonna be some birds put down today. It's about 44 degrees right now, so it's kind of chilly. We got our blaze orange on. You are required in Minnesota to be wearing blaze orange hats, so we will all be repping those, and I'll probably even throw on a vest because I don't really want to get shot.
I won't shoot you.
You won't?
No.
Is that a promise? You're gonna shoot a woodcock though.
Let's hope.
Alright, we're gonna get to the woods and just keep you updated. It's definitely fun like talking to everybody at camp because there's some real sticks in the mix. Oh, that rhymed. That was really cringy. That was so cringy. Following them. Shells on the ground, shells on the ground. Looking like a fool with Justin shells on the ground.
Where are they at?
Well, we just hunted a whole spot and I realized my GoPro's on time-lapse mode, so you guys didn't get to see any of that. Maybe a little fast forwarding through the forest, but Jay got a bird and I got my first bird and I've learned a lot, so hopefully at this spot I'll be able to run through and show you some more things and what I'm learning, but it's just how it goes sometimes when you're doing this YouTube thing. Goon's got his first, well, it wasn't his first. He got the first one on the trip.
Yeah, he got a retrieve.
Nice retrieve.
We're in some young aspen here, so we're in the good stuff.
Why is young aspen good? It's just the way it is.
Yeah. Moist ground, picking worms. If it's bigger than your calf, you don't want to be in it. So this stuff's thin, just like Mav's arms.
You wanted to say something else so bad. Oh. Fuck. Damn. Dude, that one came right up in front of me. Gunnar, fetch it up. Gunnar, fetch it up. Fetch it up.
Yeah, Gunnar got so birdie there.
Yeah, is he on point again?
Oh, he's on point right here.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, I see it. Should I shoot it on the ground?
No.
All right, here. He's right in front of me.
Do you have a good lane? I'll kick it
Throw
up.
your hat at it, Justin.
Here!
No bird!
Oh, he's going down.
He's going down.
Here!
Your dog's on it. Yeah, right back.
Where's the bird? Find it.
Yeah, that was a good one. I should have freaking filmed that. I saw that bird clear as day. I was shooting behind you. I only had one good shot. What's that? Oh, really? You get him?
Whoa! Gunnar just bust that? Whoa! Yeah, he busted it. Gunnar! Dead bird!
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh! Big old jackrabbit.
Jackrabbit? Thanks, probably.
Popped it right in the head, like.
Wow, good shot.
You ever eaten them?
Mm-mm.
Just throw it right here, hope you don't mind.
Oh.
We're almost took a check. You usually can see the bird.
This brush is everywhere. In my eyes, my nose.
I got one today. It went smacked me in the face, and one of these went up my nostril.
All right, GoPro just died, but we just got another bird out in here somewhere.
Good job! Good boy! Yeah, that's a good bird right there.
You want to bring it to me? No. Next time.
Oh, beak buster. We should have stayed and hunted this stuff. You gonna leave?
I'm pissed. I stopped recording like right when that happened.
Really?
Yeah.
He just locked up back there. See him?
Yep.
Whoa! Walk in. Whoa!
Readjusting. Oh, he's on it.
Whoa! No bird. No bird.
Gunnar, hey,
Yeah, I saw her fly away.
here.
Okay. I think our shots were over there. No, that was.
Yeah. There's no chance for me.
I just don't like shooting at people like that.
No.
Here.
Not worth it. Need a shell?
Yeah, I've only got one now. I probably won't need it, but I'll take one just in case.
Probably won't need it. I'm so good at shooting.
No, I'm saying probably won't.
I'm so good.
No, probably
I'm
won't.
so good at I'm so good at shooting. I don't even need a shell.
That's not what I meant, dickhead.
I don't even need a shot in my shotgun. I'm just gonna
Normally when it's just me, I use a blindfold.
spear them like this.
It's not safe with other people, so.
I'm gonna spear them.
I hear ya.
I have a bayonet on the end of my shotgun and I just throw these at my birds.
Keep paying that shot.
Ja! Ja! I stabbed them out of midair. Should have been here last week. It was really good.
Yeah?
Just kidding. That's just what everybody always says. Oh, you should have been here last week. Well, we flushed a lot of birds. Where the birds? Where the birds? Where the birds at?
Good boy, Gunnar.
crazy wild dog.
I still don't have a bird on film that I shot.
We've got some crazy footage now. Now we gotta get a perfect one of you taking a point.
I'll take the rabbit out of here.
You don't want it.
Oh boy.
Not really.
You guys can have.
That's a big bunny.
That's a big old one right there.
That's a snowshoe here.
You have 3?
Yeah, I got a couple more.
I got one in the back.
If they're in good shape, Justin.
This other one's in better shape than your dad shot. Well, maybe not. Maybe that was when your dad shot.
You can get 3 pretty ones. So their eyes are on the back of their head. So when they're probing for worms, they can see behind themselves for owls and hawks. And their beak is hinged, so it can stick its beak underground and get worms and pull them out with that hook. Well, that's a pretty bird. It's in perfect shape. Big wings.
I must have just got one BB, huh?
1 or 2 BBs. His leg. I mean, I didn't
see where it went in. Oh. I'm hitting a mid-afternoon lull. Yeah, I'm opening the door. Just remember to add some cold coffee, so we're good. Okay. 3rd spot. Got 4 birds in the bag and a rabbit.
Find the birds. Come on, Gunnar, find the birds. Gunnar, over here. Come on. Come on. Good boy, Gunnar.
Wow. Look at that.
Good boy. What's over there? Oh, touch it up! Oh, nice!
Is it grouse?
What was that, grouse? Touch it up, Gunnar!
Alright, so right now we're like hunting this kind of swampier stuff. We want to be in wet stuff, but this is just a little too wet, so we might try to find a different spot. They just flushed up a bird and apparently got it, but it's so swampy that the dogs can't find it right now, so they're struggling a little bit. It's been like 5 minutes, 10 minutes of them trying to find it. Hopefully we can get it retrieved, but we're gonna get out of this spot because it's a little too damp. There's a bunch of young growth in here, like aspens and popples. And that's kind of what we're looking for. We're looking for that moisture that doesn't have giant standing water like that, because there's worms that go in the soil, and the birds kind of will bed down or whatever and pick the worms all day. So definitely learning a lot today.
Right around you, Hunter. It's pretty close. Oh, Gunner's got it. Good boy! No way. Yep. Good boy! Come on! Good boy!
Get a picture of that.
Hell yeah! Good boy! It's still alive! Like very alive. Good boy, Gunner! Good boy! Here! Good boy! Good boy!
Gunnar! Gunnar! Come here. Come here. Ah! Good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, man. Get him. Dead bird. Dead bird. Get him. Fetch. Fetch him. Fetch. Fetch. He's literally right in between your legs. That was pretty cool. Justin's dog doesn't have a whole lot of experience with hunting like this, so it's pretty awesome that he found that woodcock and brought it back in that swampy stuff. I mean, I can only imagine. It's hard to trace scent and stuff. but we're not really in love with this spot. It's too swampy. We're gonna head back to the truck and try to find something else, but made the most out of it. We flushed 3 birds and got 1, and I tripped about 37 times, so. Gunnar's right here, he's fine. This is crazy. So thick. Like, how would I even get lucky?
I mean, that was probably the bird that got up. Okay.
Hit!
That was a different bird.
Yup.
You got away?
Nope.
Fetch it up!
I actually don't think I hit it.
Dead bird. You think it was me?
Yeah, I missed my first shot for sure. Did you shoot?
Twice.
Fetch it up!
That was cool. I had a pretty crappy lane there.
Come on! Good boy.
There's some poopy. That's a fresh one.
It's probably.
Whoa! Whoa! Gunner's on. Yeah, it went exactly.
You all right?
Yeah, we're good. It's ringing. Gunnar! Come on!
Let's walk this trail, guys. Might as well.
Yeah.
Dustin, you have your tracker on?
Yeah.
Perfect. We saw another jackrabbit.
Oh, really?
Gunnar! Hit!
Hold on. What do you got, Tito? Tito might be pointing. What do you got, Tito? What do you got, Tito?
He's on point.
Whoa, 53 yards this way. A little to the left, guys. Just watch your watch. 40 yards. Woo! 35 yards. Grouse! Oh, it's a grouse. Did you not see it?
Yeah, I saw it. I didn't have a lane.
I didn't really either. We had no way. You guys gotta stay up. Sorry.
Okay.
Although woodcock usually go up.
He landed just up here.
Grouse don't usually land though.
Oh! What? Bird right in front of me.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, it's injured.
What is it?
Okay. He got it. He got it. What? Come on. Tito here. Tito here. Out. Out. It's a woodcock.
What?
Tito just grabbed a woodcock out of the air.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah.
Look, he's been shot. He couldn't fly.
Yeah, he was fluttering weird.
Nice.
The dog got that one.
Whoa. Dead bird! Nice! Someone clipped it over there. Yeah, it's me. Okay, nice. Someone to my right got it. Dead bird! Dead bird. Big, huge one. Woodcock? Yeah, here, Parker.
He's on point. Yeah, says he's on point for me too. Jeez, man, how are we gonna shoot in this?
Come on, Gunnar.
Oh! Grouse?
And then I moved some brush and he flew and I whacked him. But yeah,
Oh yeah, that's a male then?
full band.
Yeah. Sick.
Full band. So these aren't broken. The terminal band's not broke. And then if you pluck a rump feather, it'll have, this one has 3, but it'll have more than 1 white dot. Usually 2. This happens to have 3, but that's indicative of a male too. And then just the fan length size. So like, these are greater than 5 inches. I'm not gonna pluck one, but they're greater than, it's a big fan too. That's indicative as well. But yeah, big gray face. He's pretty. You ever seen? Sorry, I wish someone would have. Any of you guys could have popped that one. And, well, it was a big drummer. I could tell, dude. His fan was huge. He had his fan out when he was on the log. Like, the thing is giant. It was a giant drummer. All right. I don't know where we are.
Oh man. I was just telling Justin, I think that's probably the most amount of walking I've done in at least 2 or 3 years. Oh, dude, that's some tough stuff. Getting slapped in the face with sticks all day and like just getting sliced up. I mean, that's nothing, but just getting poked and whatever.
Hands get gouged.
The dogs did well. We're hunting some more pressured land, so Justin and Hunter were telling me that like normally they don't go bump sticks like this unless it's pressured, but we had to do that today to get birds, and we almost got our limit. I think we were only like 2 birds short.
Pretty close.
Missed a couple grouse, which kind of stinks because grouse are tasty.
They're the king of Upland. Hardest bird to hunt.
I can't say that I've had grouse actually. Cool. We got a jackrabbit. We've got like 5 or 15 woodcock, and then we've got one grouse. So that was cool. Great day. We're gonna kind of unwind here, maybe meander our way back to camp and clean up some birds. All right, it's the best part of the night. Time to cook up some food. We got some hungry people on our hands and some pretty tired dogs.
No, this wasn't at that point. No, we get to the road to turn off. I come to a screeching halt because I'm like, oh!
So I brought this portable grill. It's a smoker grill. And we don't have any birds cleaned up right now, so we're going to do some venison on it first, but I was curious to see if I could run it off of my power source in my truck, my Goal Zero. And so I've got an extension cord running all the way back, and this is an electric powered wood pellet smoker. So you can see that there's, whoa, I remember how I opened this. There we go. So you can see that there's, oh, maybe you can't. There's wood pellets in here. It's basically just like rabbit food. So you can get them in like different flavors and stuff. If you guys smoke meats, you already know about this. I'm not telling you anything new. But this one's cool because you can do it on a tailgate. I've never used this one yet, so it's working. It's probably gonna drain it pretty fast, but we'll see. It says 18 hours it can smoke for on there. It's pretty good.
Is this?
Justin was kind enough to donate his Buck's backstraps from last year, so we're gonna put some Italian Tuscan seasoning on it. You want to put those on there too? Just wait a second.
I think we prop them.
We got a lot of good food getting made right now. We've got a whole group of people that like harvesting their own meat, and I'm probably the greenest one around here. So there's antelope burgers, there's whitetail backstraps, there's crappie fillets, and now there's woodcock breasts.
You gotta close that trigger, you're gonna keep the heat in. You know how it is.
All right, let's do it now. Yeah. Last thing you want is overcooked veggies. Mav, you cooked it.
All right.
Where's Tito?
Taste all right?
Yeah, that's good. That's really
Boys, wild tot. Venny on deck.
good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Quality. That's quality.
Oh, jeez.
Where's Tito at?
That's so tender, and that seasoning's bomb too.
That's good.
Yup.
Good?
Yup.
Quit making these things. The whole outer ring keeps things good.
Yeah, they are. They're really good.
How many pounds of backstrap do you get off of 4 point or like a
Deer.
There's some dark meat.
It is.
Yeah, backstrap's real like.
fucking with your emotions.
Can we do it? Can we defeat it?
I'll have one.
Does woodcock taste good?
Real question. This thing bites it. I think Wesley's a foosball partner. That bites it.
Not good.
It's not my favorite thing ever. It's not the worst thing. I mean, I'm not like spitting it out, but I was close. I won't lie to you. It's not great. That's dog food. How do you make woodcock taste good?
This tastes just like some swampy duck.
I won't lie to you right now. Woodcock is definitely not my favorite thing in the world.
This tastes just like a swampy duck.
It's like very gamey. I've heard people smoking them before or like deep frying them, so maybe I'll try that next time. But woodcock's not amazing. If you guys know a good woodcock recipe and you want to put me on my place, please comment it down below. But really not impressed with just throwing the seasoning on it.
Amazing flavor. Amazing.
Again, I just ate a really nice venison backstrap, and then I ate that, so probably a little spoiled, but no, not really that good. All right, well, moseyed on into the back of the truck after some food. It was a good day. I definitely could have made that woodcock probably taste better if I would have like marinated it and spent a lot more time smoking it, but it was fresh today. We didn't bleed the birds out or hang them or anything. I don't really know much about bird cleaning, so I should probably do some more research on that. But me and Gunnar, I guess Gunnar decided he wanted to sleep in the back of the truck. He got tired enough where he doesn't really care where he passes out. He's not worried about where Justin's at or anything. So hopefully you enjoyed this. I know I definitely did. It's something that's still not really in my comfort zone, and it was kind of hard to, you know, get the right angles in the bush, and that's just kind of like what this hunting is. It's all, you know, bushwhacking, and you know, you're not really sure where the birds are going to come up, and so it's hard to get really good footage. But I hope I got some good stuff on footage today. I'm not really going to know until I go to edit it, but
Really appreciate you guys tuning in this episode of Mav. And as always, until next time, my name's Mavrik, and you already know the drill. Just keep on trucking. Good night. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Gun.